Miss people who hurt you, not because they were good for you, not because the pain was secretly love, and definitely not because you deserved it, but because the human brain has a strange habit of holding on to familiarity, even when that familiarity causes damage. Familiar pain sinking in, comfort in damage idea completes. Your mind is incredibly skilled at creating highlight reels, replaying the laughter, the shared jokes, the comfort of knowing someone's habits, their voice, their presence, while quietly muting the moments when you felt small, confused, anxious, or unimportant. It's like missing an old house you grew up in, even though the roof leaked and the walls cracked. Old broken house visual. What you miss isn't the damage, it's the memories inside it. Memories glowing inside. Broken house nostalgia. Moment end of analogy. Emotional attachment doesn't run on logic, it runs on repetition. Bonding and hope. Emotional loop forming when someone hurts you, but also gives you affection. At times hurt kindness together. Mixed signals. Confusion. End of sentence. Feeling your brain connects relief with love, creating an emotional roller coaster where pain and comfort get tangled. Roller coaster. Visual peak. Emotional addiction feeling. One moment you're hurt, the next moment they're kind. That sudden switch releases dopamine, making the connection unforgettable. Over time, your nervous system learns this pattern, mistakes emotional chaos for passion, calm for boredom, and consistency for something missing. Confusion fully formed. You also miss who you were when you were with them. The version of you that believed things could get better, that tried harder, that loved deeply, even when it wasn't safe. There's grief in realizing the future you imagined will never exist. Grieving that future. Loneliness romanticizes the past. Your mind reaches for what it knows. Even pain feels comforting when predictable. Missing someone who hurt you doesn't mean you want them back. Healing is about remembering honestly and choosing peace. Love doesn't hurt. Growth and peace